Mabuhay everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today with Cindy. Spend your 10 minutes or a little bit more with me today. So guys, good morning. Happy Monday today. So today with Cindy. So happy Monday, everybody. It's actually nearly lunchtime. So, of course, we already done our work and we nearly finished. So, we've only got Abubo is just doing his painting of the gate. And we got Connie doing the third floor. Over there, guys. There, you can see Connie moving somewhere there. There. So, we got Connie to join our team to look after the house 3 times a week. So, she comes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at the moment because she's also working on other places. So far, that's what she can give us, but that's enough for us. So, we can have the third floor really looked after during the whole week. And, of course, we can look after the rest of the place. When I have somebody here, I normally ask them to look after the bottom floor. So this time I switch because Connie is a proper housekeeper. That's really her job. She actually looks after our neighbor, but she only goes on a different days, so she comes with me, which works really good for us. So I can look after the bottom floor now that the room is extended. It's a lot better for me to look after it. And the farm is done, so we don't have to do so much work in the farm. We can enjoy our house here in the city. So that's what happened. As you can hear, the music is on. And you can hear Daddy is coughing. He's just looking at the Facebook. He's just checking the Facebook. He's a Facebook guys. He's a Facebook man. Get him to say hello. Hello. How's your
Hello.
Facebook going?
It's okay.
He's just checking while watching the show. Are you watching Daot?
Daot.
Oh my God, his favorite Daot. And what's that one? Kulas. Kulas, Daot. That's his
James and Karen.
James and Karen, Roy and Rhea. Rhea and Roy, James and Karen, of course, Gio. We monitor also Gio. Gio on the go. Yeah.
Plus there's a few more.
And few more. Asia at night. That's what he likes to go around to update of what's happening. So that is our thing today. Yeah. What happened? Huh?
Especially on a rainy day.
Oh, especially in a day like a stormy day. We just stay home and that. So it's good now. So we gave this is for para to sa kay Connie guys. Tapon ko na sana. Ito may silig pa. Pinadala ko na lang sa kanya guys. So this is yung mga order ko sa sa Shopee. Ito yung washing natin. Yung kinuha ko na washing sa sa laundry mat. Diyan kasi gagamitin din natin to eh. Ito. We will use that one. So, itong washing. We have washing ready to go. And ito guys ang in-order ko na na ko i-switch ko kayo guys. Sandali. I saw this. Okay. Switch ko kayo. Ito yung in-order ko na skirt. So, may dala siya na short pants. Argay ko. May short pants siya na dala. So, okay siya isuot. Ayan. O, diba? Mano lang siya, guys. Maganda sana pag yung medyo malamig ang panahon. Pero okay siya kahit may pants kasi ilalim. Diba? Yun siya. So, okay. So, dito tayo. So, ito yung skirt na binili ko na may short pants. Ayan. Tada! O, hindi ka talaga masilipan kasi may short pants siya. Ang design niya dito. Ganito. May ganito ba? Yung ganyan. See. Hindi ka masilipan ito. So, you can also use this for Zumba. Ayan. So, bumili ako guys ng dalawa. Napakaganda niya isuot with leggings. Yan. So, at medyo may weight siya guys. Pero, maganda yung may weight kasi parang ruffle siya. So, yung ano niya guys, yung ganon, makababa. Makababa talaga. O, diba? Yan. So, that is our, ano guys, yung ano natin, ganap for today. O, diba? I-try ko lang naman. Try ko lang. Over. So, yan. Ito washing ni Daddy. Marami akong ganito from the washing. Kaunti lang yung pinadala ko, guys, para maano ka agad. Ayun. 270. Yun na. So, ano na tayo? Let's. Okay. Tapos ito yung damit ko guys. Ang barong ko na damit. Paiksian ko pa. Hilang hanapan natin ng way how to do it. Nandito yung ano. Ito guys yung Zumba top. Oh, ilalagay ko ulit kayo ha. Wait. Ito siya, yung red. Ito yung kasama niya. Tada! So, ito siya guys. Tada! Sarap to. Nan. Tapos, ito sa labas. Multi-layer siya guys. Na napakainit. So, good luck to me. Kasama yan dyan eh. Hindi ito ha. Kasama ng red. So, good luck to me. Yan. Tapos, may green ako. Sinuot ko yesterday. Dalawa. Kasi, dapat pink ito. Pinadalhan ako ng dalawang green. Nakakaloka. So, I'm not happy sa binilhan ko sa Shopee. Kasi, syempre, iba yung in-order ko para na pag Zumba ko, iba-iba yung kulay na nasuot ko. Sila naman, hindi naman nakinig. Bigyan ako ng mali. So, yun na nga. I love this. I really like this one. Alright. Okay, di ba? Ayos. So, ayan yung ano natin, yung ganap natin for today. Kay Daddy to. Suot niya to. Actually, that's for him. Mag-check lang ako guys ng bottom floor. May music doon sa ilalim. Kaya, off muna tayo. Magluto pala ako. Dito guys, nalimutan ko. This is a patties galing sa Bubs. Bubs na yung Bubs dito sa Bubs Pastries Bakery. Bubs. Si Bubs nga. Dito sa Bacolod guys, I think mayroon din siguro sa ibang places. I'm not really sure. May Bubs kami dito. Napaka-popular sila sa burger. Yung restaurant na Bubs. Malapit dito sa amin. Tapos medyo marami din sila in other area, in other barangay or places. Tapos yun, ang patty na linalagay nila sa burger. Yan siya. So, lucky me. Kaya palagi akong bumibili niyan. Kasi ako na lang gumagawa ng patty guys. Para na lang nasa Bubs ka. Yung timpla nila. Bubs. Yun. Oh, mag-ano muna tayo. ano, luto niya. So, hello. Welcome to our third floor. So guys, ito na. Naglinis si Connie kanina. So, ito na yung ano natin. Bale, ito na yung kinalabasan guys. So, nag-change tayo ng cover. Okay, nag-change tayo ng cover ng upuan. Tapos, yan. And then, malinis na rin yung mga tanim. Ayun, nilinis na niya. Ayay, kanami. Very good. Hindi na ako mag-touch guys kasi nilinisan na to ni Connie. So, pwede na yan. Ito na lang kukunin ko. Tapos, yun na. Naglagay na siya ng ano, another. So, may spare tayo na ganito. Ilagay natin dito yung mga spare. So, ayan, nakapaglinis si Connie ng bungga. So, very good. Uy. Bungga-bungga na paglinis. Very good. So, okay, everybody. After 3, 4, 5, after 2 hours and a half, I come back here because I forgot my camera. Because when I left, I had somebody calling me because we're going to the market. So that's why I left. And it's still clean, guys. So Connie, she changed this, the yellow one. So I gotta, wow, this is nice. Ta-da! Oh, see? Nice and clean. Yeah. Alright, we were gonna have a party today, but it was cancelled. So, we cannot help that. It's okay. So clean, guys. Ta-da! This is the outside. Okay, we need to get our stick. Where's our stick? Hello, where's my stick? Guys, I don't know where is my stick. The stick that I use to move everything higher up. I need to move this. I cannot move it without the stick. So I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Wait lang. I'm looking for the stick. But anyway, I need to move the curtain. So wait for me. I'm going to. So it's nice and clean, guys. Oh. And this is the afternoon here in the third floor. You can see there the view. Ayan. Ta-da! Hello. Hello. That's where the plane go past. And look at the coconut. Coconut. Ayan. I don't know where is my stick, guys. So this is look funny. The other one up to here, but this one is short. But it's okay. So guys, when you put your chair, you don't put hit the thing. You have to leave a gap so it doesn't scratch the front. That's how you put that chair. You don't push it right up to the thing because it scratches the paint. Always leave a gap when you're doing your chairs like that. It's a little bit of gap so it doesn't scratch. Yeah, like this, just a little bit of gap. I don't know guys where the heck is my poker is. I need to poke that thing there. But anyway, that's it. I took you outside and the house is clean. The third floor is done. It's so good guys because we have some organization in the house. So we got this place gonna be looked after, which is very good because I spend my time down the bottom and in the farm. So I go up and down whichever day. So I just try to swing days. But everything is good and everything is okay. I'm so happy. The house is clean. Look at that. So happy. I hope you're happy too. And I shall see you guys in our next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time. Until next time. This is our life in Bacolod City. Bye guys. Enjoy the view. Green na green because it rained. And that's sweet potato plantation. Yummers.